Where in the world are you today?
Well, I'm out here in beautiful Airdrie at 121 Williamstown Green Northwest in front of this beautiful four-bedroom home listed by our wonderful associate Alex Weston.
He is wonderful.
And it's now recorded and live and we can't take it back.
We can never take it back. Dang it. All right. So you are out in Airdrie, Williamstown. Airdrie is like your stomping ground. You love it out there.
Yeah, I'm an Airdrie resident. I don't even know what an Airdrieanite, I guess they would call.
I'd go for it.
And
Go for
yeah, I live on the southwest side. This is the northwest side of town. So you
Cool.
have close proximity to Superstore, Canadian Tire, all those amenities over on the north side of the town. Quick access to Highway 2 to get north or south. And of course, linking up with Stony Trail to get you on that 75% complete traffic circle. So
Cool. I just posted the link, so everyone has the information if you want to take a look at property. So this one is listed at 449.9. Is that correct?
correct, yeah.
Cool. And 1,835 square foot home built in 2012.
2012, yep.
Yeah, cool. Well, I'll let you take it away and show us around. And anyone who has questions on this, about this home in Williamstown, on Williamstown Green, sorry, feel free to ask it and we'll keep rolling.
Okay, for sure. Yeah, so I'm on the outside of the house right now. I'm going to flip it around, show you this quiet cul-de-sac. I mean, unless you don't like the sound of children's laughter and enjoyment and fun. But yeah, this beautiful home, really, you can sense the pride of ownership right from the moment you walk in the door. The landscaping is amazing. You're going to come into your front entrance here. You have the stairway leading upstairs to split level with the bonus room on the front of the house and the bedrooms leading up. I'm going to do the main floor here first. You have your half bath sitting here. Hello, with laundry on the main floor, as well as your entrance to the garage. Looking out into the living room, you got nice bright open space. One of my favorite features of this home is the green space, the walkway that you'll see when I get you outside. But we have some amazing cabinetry, granite countertops, your walk-in pantry, good sized kitchen and eating space. And then you have a nice deck looking out onto a green space walkway. And the best part, if you just go east, you have marsh right there with walking paths, running. There's people walking dogs, running, kids out there riding bikes, and
1, 2, 3, 4. I can honestly count probably 6 or 7 people. A bunch just went behind the trees, but it's there's a lot of people out and about, which is great.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
And yeah, just so sun is going to be rising over there, and it's going to be setting over there. So your backyard is going to get a lot of sun exposure, and you will get a bit of relief in the middle of the day.
Cool.
So back into the kitchen. I'm going to go up first before we head downstairs.
Cool. Well, do you want to kind of tell people whereabouts in the community this property is as you're walking up?
Yeah, so it is, I would say 250 meters north of Yankee Boulevard, which is one of the major roadways in Airdrie. Very quick, easy access to get to. Again, it's wonderful that you are on a cul-de-sac, so you have kids out there playing on their bikes, chalking up the road, and you just know that it's going to be a safe and slowed down neighborhood for your kids and family. And I'm sure if it's like most cul-de-sacs, you're going to see a lot of neighbors come out and have their fire pits and social distancing beverages and all that good stuff. So here we are on the bonus room above the garage. Nice little TV setup. Lots of sun and exposure for the morning. And then the split stairway that I was talking about. heading into bedroom number 1. Along with the half bath right across this bedroom. And then you have linen closet, second bedroom here on the north side of the home, looking out into that green space. Moving into the master room with you have your walk-in closet
Okay, cool.
with you have your master ensuite, shower, 2 sinks, and your toilet stall with a door, which is always nice.
That is an added bonus.
Yes, wives around the world are appreciative.
You know, I don't think it's just the wives. I'm just throwing that out there.
Yeah. Downstairs, I really like downstairs.
So then that's
Fully
hardwood
developed.
on the maid floor, right? Hardwood and then carpet back?
Yeah, carpet
Okay,
in
cool.
the main living
So a
space
combo.
with hardwood on the rest of the front entry all the way into the kitchen. Very well, no scratches. Very minimal wear and tear, which is great. This home is 1,835 square feet, fully developed. The
And
basement,
449.9.
really nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, 449.9. So we have another full bath downstairs. Nicely done. Beautiful second living room, more of a TV entertainment space. They've got their projector and big screen set up.
Cool.
Popcorn nights.
The best.
Utility room, and then a office slash could be a bedroom. They do have it set up with a sink, so
Oh, neat.
you could bit of a games room, or it's just nice to have this access for when you are doing your movie nights.
Yeah, absolutely.
Lots of light in this basement. Again, the windows are nice and big, and you're going to get lots of morning sunshine from this window, and then evening sunshine over here. So
Cool.
really amazing home, you know, for being 2012, 8 years old. It doesn't look like it's been lived in for 8 years. It looks close to brand new, very well taken care of. Yeah. Any questions from the World Wide Web?
Oh, actually, Aaron was asking, the kids want to know if there's an outdoor rink by Williamstown.
I can't answer that, actually. I don't know the answer to I'm more of a south side guy, so
We will get back to you.
yeah,
We will get back to
unfortunately,
you.
we'll look into that and get back to you. But
Totally.
lots of walking paths, lots of access to outdoor amenities. Genesis Place, which is the outdoor recreation center, is probably a 7-minute drive east of here.
Cool.
Where I know there are hockey rinks, football fields, soccer fields, indoor gym, swimming
good
pools
stuff,
for the
yeah.
kid, all that good stuff.
So I have heard rumors that there is something epic in the backyard. Are you able to get down to the grass?
Yes, I can.
I don't even know if you
So
know
there-
this.
So there's a 2-tier deck, which is really awesome. You have your garden beds
Yeah, but
over
I
here.
think
I'm
if
going to
you
flip it around.
I'm just kind of looking at photos here. So, well, first off, garden beds for the wind. Fantastic.
And then
Look at this.
little kid playhouse.
Is that a legit? It's 121.5 Williamstown Green, sorry. And oh my goodness. This is how we end this tour. I think you should just sit down and we should just have coffee in here.
I actually do fit.
Yeah, well, that is good.
I'm here.
This is great. I love it. It's
The hot water is going to take a little bit to heat up, but yeah, by the time you get here, I'll have coffee ready, and we'll carry on the conversation and take the rest of this virtual tour from here.
I love it.
I
Thank you, Rob.
I think it could be a segment. Okay,
I
enjoy
think it
your
could be.
afternoon, and yeah, definitely let me know if there are any questions.
Done and done. All right. Well, all of you that are watching, if you have comments, questions about this 121 Williamstown Green or 121.5 Williamstown Green, let us know in the comments below. And we are going to head off to our last place of the day. And thank you again, Rob.
Of course. See you.
See you, man.